All right, so the 3.1.1 has been released for the app across North America. You don't need to use a workaround anymore to use 3.1. Not only that, but 3.1.1 brings some additional benefits like the drop-down menu for charging. For charging, it now has the option to use bidirectional charging, V2X, right away, and you can schedule when it's going to discharge to the grid and all of that kind of stuff. Really cool, very functional. Again, this is already, again, updated in a leap forward, so that's awesome. There's also an update for your Sigen store systems. They are now Sigenergy. Get rid of your Point Guard app. That's going to expire. It will no longer have support as of September 10th. So download My Sigen, and you can now, like I said, there's an update for your system, an update for the app. You can schedule things like V2X, so selling to the grid, which I've got mine set up as. I've been experimenting without it, but it's been kind of a pain to do it manually. I think there's some things I need to refine with my settings, but you can customize a setting so that I have mine set to be in self-consumption mode most of the time, sell back to the grid between 7 and 9 p.m., which is when my utility provider will actually pay more, significantly more per kilowatt hour provided from your unit. And basically, I'm just planning to leave one of my EVs plugged in at all times.